Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to turn on and off show replies on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Bluesky application and then click on these three lines up here, then go to the settings. Now go to the content and media. Here you will find following feed preferences. So as you see here, you will find show replies, so just click like this and they will turn it off and on as you like. So that's how to turn on and off show replies on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.